southeast of the state, QSL.
QSL. QSL1, sorry about that. I have a little radio problem. A very good signal, 5x3, 5x5 here in the state of Tennessee, USA, North America. The numbers on this end is 2 Alpha Whiskey, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. The operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November, QSL.
Same signal, Ken, you're fired. 5 and 5, 5x4, 5x5, 5x4 each way. Okay, Ken. Well, located in southwest Spain, at the moment in portable location, outside of home, and using back to you again. Alpha Whiskey 014. Radio Charlie 189 portable, over.
Hey, QSL, very good, Radio Charlie 1891, very good on the signal. Conditions picked up very good, 5x7 at one moment. We're located in the state of Tennessee, about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City. The operating conditions on this end is a President Jackson export radio, working at Antron 99 about 25 feet off the air, with a vintage Turner Super Sidekick power mic. Back to you there, Juan.
Okay, very fine then, Alpha Whiskey 014, Radio Charlie 189, coming back. Okay, you carry your using the Antron 99 on President Jackson, plenty fit, working very well, because your signal is 5 and 7, 5 and 8, 57, 58 right now, and maybe the propagation coming up from USA or from North America. QSL, back to you, 014,
QSL, very good, Radio Charlie 189, very good, 100%. Yes, it seems like conditions are opening up, and we definitely enjoy here in Europe. The past 3 days we've had some really good propagation out of your country and all the other countries over into Europe, and we do like making contact. I did log you down 30 Radio Charlie 189. I got you in my log, and definitely want to wave a good hand to you out there. You're making a real good tip, Ron. Ken, back to you, QSL.
Yeah, QSL again, Alpha Whiskey 14, Radio Charlie 189. Yeah, it's possible before we make the QSL, it was a beef 3 years ago, in my phone we saw 12 antenna. Maybe I think we spoke it before, for sure. We spoke it before, Ken. Okay. You're 5 and 9 at the moment. Station is very nice at the moment. Maybe propagation coming up for you. What is the propagation in your side? Very good conditions to America. The afternoon, South America was coming, Central America, and now the propagation saying to North America. Any contacts into Central Pacific over the low part. QSL, Ken, back to you. Alpha Whiskey 14.
QSL, Ron, very good. Radio Charlie 189, very good. At the moment, 14 Division France, and 1 Division Spain. Mostly Europe coming in at the moment. We usually in the evening time we get We start getting South America, the 3 division, and yesterday we was down into Australia, down in that division. It's been rather good the past 2 or 3 days, and it seems like the conditions are picking up at the moment. And Juan, I'm gonna cut it short, and that way you can make yourself another contact here in the States. I know that you're definitely having what it takes because the conditions are in your favor, and you're, like I say, 5x7, 5x9, no problem whatsoever. Juan, we thank you so much for the contact, and I want to send all the good numbers from my house to yours. It's been totally been a pleasure on this end making a contact with you again. We always like to make contact the second time, and it seemed like that's what's been going on lately, talking to a lot of operators the next day and the next day after that. Juan, you're still strong over here. I'm going to back down and let you get yourself another 2 division in here, because I'm sure either on this frequency or 555, someone will come back to you again. Juan, thank you so much for answering my call. It's been a pleasure. I'll log you down. You can actually Google my number and your number. You might see yourself on a YouTube. You were so good. Take care of yourself over there, Juan. Very good, strong, sunny station. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, Operator Ken, State of Tennessee, USA. Hey, Juan, we'll be QSY on your final, and thank you so much, sir.
Okay, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, Steady Romeo Charlie 189, Redonis. Many thanks, Ken, for a nice QSO, and on the mark today. North America. Alpha Whiskey 014. Greetings from Europe. 30 Romeo Charlie. Bye-bye again. See you soon on the barn. Bye-bye.
All right, Juan. Take care.